welcome back. All right, let's start making some caramel brownies. You're gonna need some melted butter and some brown sugar, and we're gonna mix that together until it's combined. Okay, so after that, you're gonna need a couple of eggs and some vanilla extract. All right, once that is all mixed, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. It's gonna be some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt.
Always watch your back.
Next, we're going to pour the batter onto a sheet pan and with some parchment paper. Okay, so once we're done spreading the batter on top of the pan, we're going to get our caramel and we're going to add like a few big drops of caramel all over the brownie. And then we're going to do like this swirl effect. Looking back at it, I definitely should have added a lot more caramel. Next time I will. All right, we're gonna pop in the oven for 350 for around like 15 to 17 minutes. All right, golden brown and delicious, perfect. I think it needed more caramel. My sister, she said it tasted just fine. She tasted the caramel, and my niece, of course, loved it. I'm gonna give the Blondies an 8 out of 10.